Here we come to the elevator at 33 North Stone. These are Thyssenkrupp hydraulic. This is a hydraulic Thyssenkrupp. This is a hydraulic Thyssenkrupp parking elevator with red.
Got a traditional call button.
Red traditional call button and.
I think it might have VR fixtures inside. I don't know.
I'm not sure, but there's the indicator and the lantern. No, it's very small.
Tiny.
Yeah, and
VR fixtures on the inside.
VR, yep, Vandal Resistant.
Look at that, it's only holds 600 pounds. This thing was probably a really tiny thing at one point.
Westinghouse.
Yeah. I think these may have a nowhere buzz.
Yep.
Yep.
It's kind of a loud one, but not terrible.
Yep.
Here we are on the ground floor. Let's see if we can ring the bell. I was just saying, you can do some of these. You can do it again.
Back up to Plaza.
Let's go up to Plaza level. Kind of a loud door operator, but electronic door sensor.
Of course.
Yeah. Yep, you can hear it a little bit.
No free door.
No pre-door, very loud. Kind of a noisy door operator, but not terrible.
Yeah. And there it goes.
Ring the bell. Hang on. Capacity is 1,500 pounds down there. This is this used to be something very tiny before.
And it is very tiny, but it used to be something like old.
Old school.
Yep.
Here it goes, and that's it.